Satan!
Oh, shut up!
Shut up!
Oh my god.
Brock, it's suffocating.
Sucking all the oxygen out of the air.
Is that an elephant?
I don't know, I stumble. To put batteries in it? While it's spinning, pour gasoline on it.
And then just burn it until it explodes. Yeah, we definitely need. Oh, this is gonna be good. I can't wait for it tomorrow now.
What's happening?
What's happening?
Yeah.
No, what's happening?
I don't know what's happening.
Oh shit.
I'm gonna call the police. I wanna have you all arrested.
You need to do that for Halloween.
Give me Uranus, or I'll summon my demons and I'll take over the world of humanity.
Hey, you guys!
It's the pizza box.
Oh no!
Man, I called the police. Fuck.
I eat shoes for a living, and they're big. Oh, they make me horny. They make me horny.
Make ash of the disloyal.
Come get some.
Wow, what a great introduction.
So why did you guys like turn behind us and keep walking that way? Was it like,
Just to get the sweet sound
just a
out of it.
casual walk?
You guys need to slow down.
Okay.
Oh my god, quality content. Jesus. Bet you wouldn't see that on them big posts.
All right, Brock. You're explaining what is the elephant with no nose.
As
Yes.
you can see, it's a jet
Nice
turbine
judgment from
with about 8,000 horsepower of double D batteries.
Hey, I'm the construction person.
Yeah, and also it's actually.
Hey, give me that boy.
Hey, shut up.
Give me
bro.
that boy. I need to explain this shit.
All right,
Okay. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna blow shit up.
Shut up, you're not a real
Hey!
construction worker. Fucking phony.
Bought this off for $1 okay? It's worth money. Okay, we're gonna explode shit. We're gonna use this, and we're gonna use some ladder fluid, and we're gonna blow shit up, okay?
Wait a second. Are you meaning to tell me that this powerful jet turbine, you're going to be pouring highly flammable lighter fluid in there and
Yes.
creating a turbine of fire?
Hell yeah, boy!
Only our channel has a budget to take a multi-million-dollar piece of airplane technology.
Oh, shut up! This ain't worth no $1 million. It's worth more.
We blew the
It's
entire
worth
construction
$100
budget on
million.
this. This was the most expensive thing we could buy.
How much?
$5.
Wow.
I thought
Hey,
they
that's-
wanted your virginity.
That's very
though.
anticlimactic.
Well, that didn't
fucking
happen.
Bergen.
Too bad.
What are you doing, man?
I am unknown to the human race. I am what the hell are you doing?
What'd you call me?
Hey, shut up and stand on your end of the fence.
You know what? Shut up! It's the afternoon!
Ugly sons of bitches, let's go.
Damn hoes!
Josh, those are kids!
So what?
Where's Brock? There's Brock.
Oh my god. Don't ever do that again.
Okay, are we done?
Forward.
Okay, we're not.
Okay. How many times are we gonna drop that today?
I don't know.
Oh, fuck Brock's tool.
Oh no, Brock's tool.
Jesus Christ!
We gotta
Oh
take.
my God, boys!
We gotta
No, we're not burning that.
No, we gotta bring it. I'm gonna bring this with me everywhere I go. It's gonna go in my wallet.
Oh, guys.
Bergen!
Dylan, breathe that in. On a scale of 1 to fucking Ebola, how unsanitary is that? Boom! Go, put your arm around.
It may be unsanitary, but it feels so good.
Hey, at least I have my nuts.
What is going on over there?
I don't know.
At least I'm not the one with the vagina. You're losing. Holy shit.
Guys, I think I'm losing brain cells. Wow! Oh my God.
Let's grab the cart.
Good job, Ross.
Roll it. All right.
We're out here in Algonquin National Park, chopping down trees to make a parking lot.
Gangway! Gangway!
Wow, that was dramatic. Yeah.
Nope.
Oh, fuck my foot!
Whoa, Bergen.
This wouldn't be the first time.
What is wrong?
Oh my God, there's astronauts inside.
What if that fucking goes on fire, you fuck?
Oh no. Oh
No! Fuck!
There we go. Moment of truth.
Sound like that? Something like that.
Yeah. Like.
Any of you guys get some light I can use?
All right, you ready? Moment of truth.
Hey, you know what? You got some light I can use?
No! No fucking way!
Boys, who wants to sit in the hot seat? Oh, it reeks. Who wants to sit in the hot seat?
This is so bad for our
What happened to it?
Wait, what the fuck?
Is it still working?
Yeah, still working. Still fucking.
Oh my
it's
God.
not, it hasn't slowed down, man.
That's amazing.
Looks like an engine on fire. Yeah, I'm filming now.
Dude, that's good.
Oh fuck! No! No! It stopped. It stopped. Engines are dead.
Engines are dead?
Engines are dead.
Hail Satan!
Shut up!
Shut up! Heretic!
Guys.
Heretic!
Who wants to sit in the hot seat?
I am the king of the devil! We make it bigger!
The fire jump, everybody! The fire jump! Brooke, would you please take the camera? The fire jump! Wait. Alright, stand back!
Right, let me try. This is so fucking stupid.
It's like a conga.
One of you guys jump in, I should be quick. Okay. This is literally
Oh god, our fire's getting kind of big now.
And this is still on.
Let's go get more wood, Noah. More wood.
I presume that is an insult! Damn you, whore! Damn you! Fuck.
Oh, the humanity!
This isn't good.
Rise, my lord!
Oh my god! Oh, holy shit! Guys! Guys! Oh shit! Guys! Sorry, this is... Holy shit!
Animals.
What the fuck is going on?
I don't know.
Go! We're alive!
Quick. Down. Shh. Quiet.
What's going?
That's one, number one.
Going?
Are you sure that was quiet? Hell yeah! Oh, we should get out of here!
Alright, let's get the fuck out of here.
Go!
Go! Get out! Guys, let's do number 2.
Oh my god! No! Josh, you got your camera, did you film it? Yes.
Guys,
Hey, where's the water?
we don't need water, guys.
It's so hard to see there.
Are we doing number 1 and number 2?
No, we're not doing any more.
We don't need water, guys.
It's so hard to see there
Are we doing number 1
everywhere,
and
bro.
number 2?
No, we're not doing any more.
You want to do
Come on, guys.
Go.
Oh my god.